Did you know that even just a week of inactivity can lead to a 50% decrease in muscle strength? That's why bouncing back to fitness after being sick is super important. In this video, you'll learn effective strategies to help you get fit again after recovering from illness and regain your strength. Ever feel like your body's on low battery mode after a virus? Like you're stuck in a loop of fatigue and weakness? You're not alone. Post-viral fatigue is real, and it can be incredibly frustrating. But here's the good news: you can regain your strength and energy with gentle, targeted exercises. Did you know that pushing yourself too hard can actually prolong your recovery? Stick around, because we're about to show you how to rebuild your fitness safely and effectively. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're focusing on post-viral recovery. We'll be going through gentle fitness routines designed to help you regain your strength and energy without overwhelming your body. Let's get started, and remember, listen to your body and take it slow. After a viral infection, your body needs time to recover. Post-viral fatigue can linger for weeks or even months, and it's essential to be patient and gentle with yourself. Pushing yourself too hard can lead to setbacks and prolong your recovery. Did you know that your body uses a lot of energy fighting off a virus, and it needs time to replenish those reserves? That is why you feel so tired. Gradual recovery is key. Start with short, low-intensity activities, and gradually increase the duration and intensity as your body allows. Focus on activities that promote circulation and reduce stress, such as gentle stretching, walking, and breathing exercises. Remember, rest is just as important as movement. Let's start with some gentle movements to improve circulation and flexibility. First, we have neck rolls. Gently roll your neck clockwise and counterclockwise, 5 times in each direction. This helps release tension and improve blood flow to your head. Next, we have shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders forward and backward, 10 times in each direction. This helps release tension in your upper back and shoulders. Did you know that deep breathing can help reduce fatigue and improve energy levels? It is true, and it is very effective. Now, let's do some gentle arm circles. Extend your arms out to your sides and make small circles forward and backward, 10 times in each direction. This helps improve circulation in your arms and shoulders. Finally, we have deep breathing exercises. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat 5 to 10 times. This helps calm your nervous system and improve oxygen flow. As you start to feel stronger, you can gradually introduce some light strength and energy-building exercises. We'll start with seated leg raises. Sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Raise one leg straight out in front of you, hold for a few seconds, and lower it back down. Repeat 10 times on each leg. Next, we have wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall, place your hands shoulder-width apart on the wall, and lean in, bending your elbows. Push back to the starting position. Repeat 10 times. Did you know that even short walks can help improve your energy levels and mood? It is a fact, and it is very helpful. Now, let's do some seated torso twists. Sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on your thighs, and gently twist your torso to the right, then to the left. Repeat 10 times on each side. Finally, we have short walks. Start with 5 to 10 minute walks, and gradually increase the duration and intensity as you feel stronger. Remember, listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain or discomfort. Integrating these exercises and recovery strategies into your daily routine is essential. Prioritize rest, stay hydrated, and eat a balanced diet. Avoid pushing yourself too hard, and gradually increase your activity level as you feel stronger. Remember, recovery is a process, and it takes time. Did you know that proper nutrition can significantly aid in your post-viral recovery? It is important to get your vitamins. So, what are you waiting for? Start your post-viral recovery today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And don't forget to share your own recovery experiences in the comments below. Until next time, take care and be patient with your body.